Welcome to our custom meditation experience. Remember that you can create your own meditation experience at meditator.ai. Okay, just find a comfortable seated position and gently close your eyes as you begin to notice the profound feelings and thoughts surrounding your connection with Jesus. I and my Father are one. I live because Jesus died for me. Jesus lives within you so that you can confidently say, I and my Father are one. The truth is, in this profound realization and belief, you are touching a deep sense of harmony and unity, where the usual cravings and resistances fade away. Try to tap into that feeling of oneness and spiritual connection, where you can find peace and clarity. What is this experience like when there is no problem with it at all? No need for improvement or alteration, no obstacles to overcome or lengthen. Allow yourself to surrender to this spiritual experience completely, immersing in the divine connection within you, ready to embrace the truth of oneness and unity with grace. And the moment you realize your mind is consumed by these profound truths about the oneness with your Father through Jesus, recognize these thoughts themselves as a reflection of your inner being. Observe how they unfold and resonate within you. Have they ever lingered for more than a fleeting moment before unfurling and merging with your essence? The essence of this spiritual practice is to nurture confidence in the unfolding of these sacred thoughts. Whichever form they take, they naturally dissipate, each word and belief losing its authority to bewilder or confound us. Let this understanding take root within you as you embrace the unity between yourself, Jesus, and your Father. The expanse of awareness within you opens up to the divine connection you hold. Simply rest in this divine presence and witness how these profound beliefs free themselves from the confines of the mind so that you can fully embody the oneness and truly resonate with the words, I and my Father are one. In the last moments of this meditation, as you reflect on the profound words of Jesus, feeling the divine connection and love that flows through his sacrifice and presence, I want you to delve within, search for the essence of these truths in your heart. Briefly turn your attention upon this spiritual awakening. Can you sense the unity with the divine within you? Is there a oneness resonating in your consciousness? Once again, thank you for your practice. Remember that the strength one can derive from integrating mindfulness with faith does not solely rely on belief, but on observing, time and again, the workings of your heart and mind, noticing how the divine wisdom and love intercept your struggles and thoughts. I will guide you to deeper understanding. In our next session with Meditator AI,